Hi, I'm Gray, and I'm a 12-year-old balloon twister, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon swan. First, you're going to need a balloon. I'm going to be choosing blue. So first I'm going to pump it up, and leave about that much of a tip. Tie it, and leave a little bit air out. Okay, so first, you're gonna twist a little end right here. This is gonna be the head, and then you're gonna leave it about that long because we're gonna kind of pinch it like that so it's a neck, you know. And now we're gonna take this end right here, tie it up with this. You can there. Now you're gonna take this about in the middle. You're gonna put that there, and then you're gonna twist it together. Oops. Okay, so it should look something like this. Now you're gonna take this part, put it through here, just like that, and you're gonna tuck this part in to here. Now we're gonna do like I said before, and pinch this, kind of pinch it, kind of massage it a little bit. About there. Part again. Okay. And that's your balloon swan.